Today we're going to a fun place. Can you guess it?
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English with Max and Mia, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Mia.
Hello, Mia. Hello, everyone. It is so good to be back today.
It's great to see you, Max. How are you?
I am very good, thank you. I had a nice morning, I have my tea, and I am ready.
Oh, you and your tea. And yes, I have my big coffee.
You sound very happy today.
I am. I am excited because today we are talking about a very fun place.
A fun place? The park?
No, not the park. It is inside, very big, and it has many, many shops.
I know. A shopping mall.
Yes, exactly. We are going to talk about the shopping mall.
Great topic. I like the mall. It is a very nice place to go on the weekend.
Me too. We can learn many useful English words for the mall.
Perfect. I am ready.
Me too. But before we start our trip to the mall,
Our English trip.
Yes. Please click the like button, subscribe to Easy English with Max and Mia, and share this podcast with a friend who is learning English.
Thank you so much. Okay, Mia, the mall.
Yes, let's begin our little English shopping trip.
The shopping mall is a big building.
And usually it has many different places inside.
And what is inside?
Shops. Many, many shops.
We also say stores, shop or store. Both are good.
What kind of shops are at the mall?
My favorite, food.
Yes, where do you eat?
In a big area with many tables and small restaurants.
Yes, we call that the food court.
The food court. I like the food court very much.
You can get pizza, hamburgers, or Chinese food there.
Yes, the food court is a great place to eat.
What else is at the mall?
Clothes shops, a shoe store, a bookstore, and sometimes a movie theater.
yes, and we can say cinema too.
Wow, the mall has everything.
Yes, that is why so many people like going there.
It is like a small city.
Let's go shopping in our English chat.
Good idea. First, a clothes shop.
We walk in. What do we see?
Clothes for men, women, and children. We see shirts and t-shirts.
T-shirts are very comfortable. I like them.
We also see pants.
Yes, and blue pants are often called jeans. I like to wear jeans.
Yes, jeans are very popular.
And we see dresses.
Like your beautiful blue dress for the wedding.
Yes, I bought that at the mall.
See? The mall is very useful.
Yes, you can shop, eat, walk around, and spend time there.
It is. We also see jackets for cold weather and sometimes shoes too.
True, but there is also a big shoe store.
Let's go there. Wow, Mia, so many shoes. Black, white, brown, red,
Yes, there are many colors and many styles.
and sneakers. What are sneakers?
Sports shoes, comfortable for walking or running.
Ah, I like sneakers. Very good for walking at the mall.
Okay, back to the clothes shop. I see a nice red shirt.
Ooh, red is a very nice color.
I like it, but I need to know the size.
Right. We have small, the letter S, medium, the letter M, and large, the letter L.
These are very common size words in English.
Small, medium, large. SML. What size are you, Mia?
I am medium.
Me too. We are medium friends.
So you find the red shirt, size M, but is it good? I don't know.
What can I do?
You can try it on
Good phrase. Where?
in a fitting room or sometimes a changing room.
Okay, I take my red shirt, go to the fitting room, try it on, and look in the mirror.
and it looks great.
Yes, I love it. So now I want to buy it.
Then you take the shirt to the front of the shop and wait in a line.
Then I talk to the cashier, the person who takes the money.
Exactly. The cashier says, beep. That is $20.
So the price is $20. I can pay with cash
Paper money and coins.
or with a card, a credit card or a debit card.
Right. You give the cashier your card.
Here you are.
The cashier smiles, says thank you, puts the shirt in a shopping bag, and gives you a small paper.
Ah, the receipt.
Yes, the receipt. It is very important.
Why?
Maybe you go home, try on the red shirt again, and oh no, it is too small. Or maybe there is another problem.
Then I can take the shirt and the receipt back to the shop.
Yes, you can return the shirt. The receipt is your proof. Always keep the receipt.
That is a very good shopping tip.
Whew, shopping is hard work. I am hungry now.
Me too. Let's go to the food court.
Good idea. Wow, so many people and tables. What do you want to eat, Max?
I think pizza.
Let's get pizza. We go to the pizza shop and look at the menu, the list of food.
I see cheese pizza.
Of course. And pepperoni pizza?
I like pepperoni. The person says, "Hello, what would you like?"
That is a very polite question.
I say, "1 slice of cheese pizza, please."
And I say, 1 slice of pepperoni pizza, please. And 2 waters, please.
Perfect. We pay the cashier, get our pizza and water, find a table, sit down, and eat.
That sounds like a very nice mall lunch.
This pizza is good.
Yes, our English pizza is very good.
It is. Okay, we finished our pizza. What now?
We can go to the bookstore.
Ooh, I like the bookstore. It is quiet.
Yes, we can look at books in English. That is good practice.
Or we can go to the cinema, buy tickets, and watch a comedy.
A funny movie. Good idea. But Mia, I am at the mall, walking, and now I am lost.
Oh no, lost.
Yes, I need to find the bathroom.
The bathroom or restroom? What can you do?
I can find a person, maybe a worker, and be very polite.
Yes, start with, "Excuse me."
Excuse me, where is the bathroom?
Perfect. That is the magic question. You can use it for everything. Excuse me, where is the food court? Where is the shoe store? Where is the cinema?